Hi guys, welcome back to my latest video. It's been a while since I've done one of these truth videos, and today I'm going to get straight into it and show you how you are told that we can all make infinite amount of money on YouTube using Creative Commons. Let's get right into it and have a look. Okay, so very briefly, what we are told is that by making compilation videos on YouTube, we can make a lot of money. Now, if you look at the sort of top 10 videos, and if you just put, we've done a search here for top 10, we can see that the top 10 scary stories ever told fan submissions has had 11,000 views, and it was uploaded 1 hour ago, so that's a lot of views. Now we know that roughly you can say that you make about $1 for every 1,000 views, so that's basically made $11 in 1 hour. Pretty crazy. But if we go down here, we can see that the top 10 Sugar Ray Leonard knockouts has been around for 2 years, but has made 2.2 million views, which would roughly be $2,500. And the opportunity is, people say that you can download videos, edit them, cut them, re-upload them on your channel, and you can get a piece of this pie. Now, the way that you're told to do that is by clicking on filter and clicking here where it says Creative Commons. So the license would be that that video is not covered by a license, i.e. anybody can download it. And you see, for example, the top 10 most expensive cars in the world. This is a Creative Commons video, and it's had 5 million views 1 year ago. So in theory, we could use one of the video downloaders, download that video, we could then cut it up, put music on it, maybe narrate over the top of it, re-upload it on our channel using the same kind of keywords, the same kind of things, using like vidIQ, you can get the keywords and all that sort of thing. And then in theory, we could end up with 1 million views, $1,000, pretty good. And if we did that every day, hey, quit your job, it's all going to be easy money. Not that easy though. Now, wouldn't it be great if that was just the case? And I would love one of these it's too good to be true videos to be dead easy to download, cut up, re-upload and make a fortune. And to be honest, there are a lot of people doing that. So for me to say this doesn't work is not necessarily correct. So you can do this and make a lot of money. So what will happen is you will go on to YouTube, just like I've shown you. We'll do a search for a video and we will apply our Creative Commons filter. Then we get a list of videos that we can download. We can slice them and dice them and we can upload them, and we feel great about that. So the video that we'll initially find is in the amber section. However, we have one problem. Video 2 was actually illegally downloaded from the red viral vid, which has about 5 million views, was actually copyrighted. So it wasn't Creative Commons, so the person couldn't download it, but you can still use the programs to download it. And the person who owns the yellow vid uploaded it with a Creative Commons license. So that shows up in our search when we've applied our Creative Commons filter, but the red video doesn't. So that's a big problem, because we've now got a video in our hands. We're the green vid maker, and we say for video 3, we download the vid 2, which was Creative Commons, don't forget, and we re-upload it after we've applied some small changes. Now the problem we've got is YouTube is designed to detect audio and video similarities, and it's very sophisticated, and we can end up with what's called a copyright strike. Now the risk of that is if you get 3 copyright strikes, you're out. Your whole account can be shut down. The video can be demonetized, and the whole account can be shut down if you're really bad. Now, bearing in mind, we want to monetize these videos, so you have to be sure that the content itself is Creative Commons. Otherwise, how do you do it? Now, I've put on there that there's no way of knowing if the original was Creative Commons. In theory, that's likely to be the case, because even though you can search through the videos and you might see, well, oh, hang on, there's the original and that's not Creative Commons, you have to come across it, and that's unlikely. So bear in mind that 3 strikes and you're out, and I think this type of opportunity carries a big risk. It can work. Like I say, you could put, if you upload a video, if you're the green video uploader and you do get a video that's Creative Commons, and what I would recommend you do is, if you're certain that that's the case, wipe the audio from the video, put your own narration, use a YouTube backing track that you can get for free, and re-upload it. The only problem is I don't think you can ever really know if it is Creative Commons originally, because the YouTube algorithm will know, and that's the problem. So as a final bit of advice, original content is best, but it's obviously very difficult to obtain that content. So I guess what I'll take from this video is, don't fall for the it's too good to be true. If you just do one of these videos a day, you'll be fine forever, you'll make fortunes of money. You might do, good luck to you. However, you've got to be sure that content really is Creative Commons. Even if it's downloaded as such, it doesn't mean that it's not licensed elsewhere. And like I say, original content is best for building your YouTube channel. But there are people out there making big money on this. But don't forget, if you get this wrong once or 3 times, you can lose everything. So you could have videos that earn you lots of money a month, then you blow it 3 times and you've lost everything. So I hope that's helpful in giving you the truth about Creative Commons video uploading. YouTube doesn't encourage people to simply take other content and re-upload, because it's kind of repeating, and that's not what they want. But it's definitely a money-making opportunity, but it does carry risk, so be careful. Thanks for watching.